Epson printers are designed to provide high-quality output. If you notice a decline in quality, you should check the print head and clean it if necessary. Follow the steps in this video to clean your print head correctly and avoid damage to your printer. Before you start, make sure plain paper is loaded in the printer and the output tray is extended. You may be able to clear your print head with a few quick cleanings. If the initial cleanings don't fix the issue, note that you may have to turn your printer off and avoid using it for 6 hours. In the Apple menu or the dock, select System Preferences. Select the Print option. Select your product, then select Options and Supplies. Select Utility, then select Open Printer Utility. Select Nozzle Check, then click Print to print a nozzle check pattern. Check the printed pattern to see if there are any gaps in the lines. If you don't see any gaps, your print head isn't clogged. Click Finish, then see your online user's guide for help if you are still seeing print quality problems. If you do see gaps, click Clean. Then click Start to clean the print head. When cleaning is complete, click Print Nozzle Check Pattern, then click Print to print another nozzle check pattern. Check the printed pattern. If you still see gaps in the pattern, run another head cleaning. If you still see gaps in the nozzle check pattern after 4 cleanings, turn your printer off and wait at least 6 hours. Then, turn the printer back on and print another nozzle check pattern. Check the printed pattern. If you still see gaps in the pattern, run another head cleaning. If you still see gaps in the pattern, contact Epson for support.